What's up, guys? This is Steve from Santech IT Solutions. Welcome to my video series about bare bones kits. This is part 1 of the series, and in this video I'll be explaining what a bare bones kit is, and I'll be showing you a recent purchase I made from TigerDirect.com. A bare bones kit is a great option for the do-it-yourselfer because you can build a PC that's tailored to your needs, and you can save a lot of money. Bare bones kits come with the essentials that you need to get started. This kit comes with a motherboard, case unit, power supply, CPU, storage, memory, and LED case fans. The components of a kit can vary, and some include water coolers, optical drives, and solid-state drives. Keep in mind that bare bones kits do not come with monitors. The most important component to consider when purchasing your bare bones kit is the motherboard. This kit includes an MSI Z97 PCMate. This is a great low-cost motherboard that's packed with some awesome features. Be sure to check out my video on the unboxing of this item, where I'll be going over the features in detail. The rest of this kit includes a Cougar Solution case unit, a solid gear Neutron 650 watt power supply, an Intel Core i5 processor, a 1 terabyte Western Digital Blue hard drive, PNY 8GB DDR3 memory, and 2 blue LED case fans. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.